a 4x4 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1978 GMC K10 regular cab, short box, suspension lift. Look at this bad boy. 350 V8 power, so small block Chevy underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, a little custom look up front with the grille. Chrome on the bumper looking like it's in good shape. A little more modern headlamp has been installed. I love these nice crystal clear marker lenses. On the side with a reflector and then the clear lens and the orange behind it. Something you don't see every day. Nice look on the front of that truck. I would say a medium to dark gray metallic. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. And as you can see, the paint has a nice shine to it. There's a few little kind of spots in the clear, I guess, if you will. But overall, this truck will turn some heads. Looking good, and we're going to look all the way around this truck and you'll be able to see over 100 pictures of it online. Polished aluminum wheels. Be able to see the lift that it has on it and the underside picks. Some GMC Sierra badging on here. And again, a GMC K10. Let's look down this passenger side. Has a little more modern Chevrolet 40-20-40 split bench seat interior in it with the center fold down armrest, power seat over there, and the driver's side's working. Played around with that a little bit earlier. And we'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Sliding rear window. Flat black sprayed bed. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There you get a good look underneath there at the suspension lift. Probably be a little easier. The underside picks, like I said earlier. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. It's that GMC tailgate. And once again, all those still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. There is a rubber mat in that box too, protecting that bed. This does have dual tanks. I want to let you know there's a switch underneath the dash I'm going to show you in a bit. If you like these General Motors trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see here at Unique Specialty and Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can do that online or right off our showroom floor. I'm going to fire it up, let you hear it run. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road. A couple other things I want to note. We get underneath the dash. It does have HEI ignition, Holley 4-barrel on it. Heater blows hot. 373 rear gears. Digital dash has been installed. And technician did note it does have new upper and lower ball joints. Brakes are like new, front and rear. Also has new rear axle seals and your typical seeps, kind of weeps underneath the drivetrain, if you will. Hey, it's driven. Drive it, have some fun. Power windows. Door panel looks good, and here's that more modern seat I was talking about. And like I said, 40-20-40 split. And then you can fold down this armrest if you'd like. Tilt the column. Power seat right here. I have had the radio power up, but I did not get much for reception, so. Let's fire it up. There's that digital dash I was talking about. Now, if you can see this little red light down underneath here, it's a rocker switch. And it goes left to right. So that's switching from your left tank to your right tank. Right here you see 14 on the fuel gauge, that's in the left tank, and I know the right one has more in it. I just switched that rocker down right there to the right side. You're going to see this fuel gauge come up. So there is more in the right tank. Give you a little heads up on that. See the tachometer's working, miles per hour. Cool dash setup. There's that aftermarket stereo. Transfer case. Top of the dash looking good. Headliner. Door closes nicely. Let's kind of take a listen back here. Sounds pretty good, nothing crazy over the top. Just a nice sounding small block. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to get this hood popped, show you the engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Well, it warmed up now and came down off the high idle too. So there's a good look at the underside of the hood, painted to match. There it is. Nice looking engine bay. That Poly 4-barrel, HEI ignition, looks like newer master cylinder. Again, power steering, headers. Batteries from 22. Runs smooth. Looks good, sounds good underneath there. Listen to that baby purr. 1978 GMC K10 suspension lift done. It's got the look, folks. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. All those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1978 GMC Sierra pickup truck. Short bed. Another truck that's just the right height with just the right size tires and stance. And looks very good. We've got red digital gauges. Nice touch. Turn signal indicator's working. As you can see, the weather is changing in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Great rumble to this truck. As you can see, the steering wheel is also clocked a little to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. A little bit of slack in the steering, as you expect from this era of truck. It's an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. The wipers are working. The blower motor also works. We have a stereo in the dash that does not pick up FM, so likely they used it mostly for Bluetooth. And you can do the same or hook up an antenna. Later model seats, cloth bucket seats with center console fold down storage and center seat with cup holders right down there by the four-wheel drive shift. I would say a good firm ride. What you usually expect from a four-wheel drive of this era on the highway. Feels good, and that suspension will make it corner nicely. Brakes are good. When we corner in, it's not leaning that much. Corners nicely. Get can see the digital gauges reading out our tachometer exactly to the RPM. The speedometer showing me 36 miles an hour right now as I'm accelerating. The oil pressure is 60, the temperature right around 200. The fuel is 30, and that usually means 30% of the tank is left. Volts are 14, and that's looking good. There, our thermostat open, and the temp's going back down to the 190s. That's what you like to see. That's a good run-in temperature for most GM engines. And again, brakes feeling good. Power steering works excellent. Take a look at all the pictures of this truck over at uniqueclassiccars.com.